Guys, look at this craziness. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at the amount of snow. Like, it's crazy. And that is gone? Huh?
Merita. From Canada winter time.
Before we go any further, today's video is sponsored by Lacidoll. With it being the winter season and flu season, this product came at a perfect time. Our Lacidoll Humidifier is perfect for household and commercial use and holds up to 4 gallons of water. Its cold mist humidifier produces up to 60 hours of continuous mist to humidify the air in a room up to 1,000 square feet. Our Lacidoll humidifier can easily be filled from the top without opening the cover. For added safety, the humidifier will turn off. There's no water left in the humidifier. Our humidifier holds up to 16 liters of water with adjustable mist levels between low, medium, high, and turbo. It accurately detects the humidity in your room and auto-adjusts to your preset humidity level from 40% to 90%. It has a quick control and a 12-hour timer. With self-cleaning, LED light, which is designed and self-cleaning function, makes mist cleaner and healthier, and also guard against the dryness. Click the link below if you're interested in purchasing a Lacidoll humidifier. Thank you, Lacidoll. Now back to the video.
This is crazy.
Remember your past videos where you were like, for all the Jamaicans?
No, they can't come.
They can come now. Yes. No.
I'm going back home.
Come, Marquise. Yes. Get your snow pants on.
I'm going back home. This is bullshit.
Or if you guys want to go out a little bit later and record. Let the camera charge a little bit.
Yeah, move the car.
Huh?
Move the car.
What is that?
No, move the car.
Warming up?
No, clean it up. Move it up. I message Umber. Man, if I come early. But I'll wait till they come for more. Clean down.
It's crazy. You see how thick that is, guys? On the car? Dennis got just cleared this. We're waiting on the snowplow. We don't know how early or late he's gonna come because it's a lot of snow. So I bet he has a lot of work doing today. It's heavy snow. This is crazy. And this is northern Canada, guys. We're up north now. So it's more snow. In these areas. Let me see. Do you see record? Let me show you. Go up. Wait. Your dad's gonna move the car. Wait. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Okay. Okay, Marquise. Marquise is all like Marquise is in his snow pants, his snowshoes. Here. It is. It's heavy snow, like packed snow. If you're gonna be able to go to school Monday, I think so. They're gonna, yeah. And your school is like an outdoorsy school, so they don't really care about snow. But like the roads will be cleared for you guys to go to school for sure.
Okay.
Come here. Marquise, go stand with your dad.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Huh?
Marquise, open the trunk.
So guys, it's freezing out there, so I'm gonna be closing the door. So Marquise decided to go outside to help his dad. And he decided to go to the backyard. So he just made a snow angel. Come stand up. Stand up. Marvin, pull him up. But it's beautiful out there, eh?
Kinda.
What do you mean kinda?
Especially out far.
What do you mean kinda though?
You're cool, I'm not cool.
The battery's dying, hurry up. Wait, let me see. Ah, he made a snow angel. Marquise went around it. Because there's no way you're coming through the kitchen. Oh my goodness.
Brush out the snow pumps.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Stomp out the stuff.
How was that? You guys are gonna go out later. Make snowman or something.